So first thing we'll need here is that. So you open it up, kind of like the band bags. You want to protect your fingers. So you go in like that, drop it in. Now technically you could have touched anywhere where my fingers are, so you got to kind of close it up and then twist it closed, okay? Kind of like that. You can either use a clip, something like this, or you can use the stickers, whatever you prefer, but essentially as long as it stays shut, that's the main thing, but it's kind of a pain to do occasionally.
Or rubber band from the ultrasound that smell you can have on the table.
Yeah.
Or that, yeah. So the catch with that is when you drop it in, the port that you want is right there, right? So usually what you have to do is open it up a little bit there and just make a small incision, just like that. Okay. And this, what you'll do, you got the two packages, or the two tubings here. You lift that off, they separate out. You pop this off, so you just literally just pop that out there, and then this one just opens up. Straighten that out. And this one is the one that goes in there, okay? Let's see. So you can pop this one out here, same thing. And what you'll need is a three-way stopcock. So this one goes here, just like that. And this one screws in here. So you just kind of push it in and twist it in there, just like that, okay? Realistically though, again, it's not completely sterile, so you'll try to put some stickers or something over that if you need to. So I usually grab these big ones here, and I'll just, as a precaution, just kind of stick it around essentially. Just like that.
That sounds like...
Almost like the shockwave, you know, but not really. Just like that, right?
Sterile.
Sterile. Usually I'll turn this here until it's at 20 or 10.
So it's already preloaded with the CO2 in it?
Yep, CO2 canister is there. So usually 10 or 20 is what you want, nothing crazy. And essentially all that is the rate that it will fill it. So now that these are on here, this is all nice and tight. There we go. We'll keep this open for now. You'll press the button. So remember here, this one essentially is like stopcock, so it shows the two ways it goes. So if I'm over here to this, like that, it's gonna fill the big syringe. So I pressed it, took a second to fill up, and there we go. Is there anything in this can? Hope so.
Oh, there's
There we go, see? So it'll fill up. You have to purge it at least 3 times, or 2 to 3 times ideally. So this is, you know, you got 60 cc's of CO2 in here, and you got a 30 cc syringe. So if you push it all to this one, it's gonna pop open, it's just gonna fly off. So you gotta be careful with that. So I'm gonna go here, push it, there we go. And then I'm gonna purge here.
Oh, so you're just sitting it out.
Exactly. So now it's still open there, but bear in mind the air is not gonna back up all the way to here, but we're gonna turn that off at the end. So purge it there, go back to the first one, fill it up, purge again.
When you're purging, you want to completely fill that 30 cc syringe?
Ideally, yeah. And, those little canisters can hold quite a bit, so I'm gonna do it one more time. Fill it up, push here, push there. Now on this last one, what I'm gonna do is as I'm pushing it, push, 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 and then off.
Off to...
Yes.
Gotcha.
And now technically what they're going to do is, usually you'll have probably a 20 cc syringe or something. When they connect to the catheter or the sheath, they're actually just gonna pull negative here. So this air here is gonna get pulled out anyways. So they pull the negative till the air's out. You'll probably go the other way, fill it with CO2, and then push it and use it. So, okay. He usually pushes a mixture. I don't think he tends to do anything other than that. So there you go. So I'll just refill this again. You'll ask if it's purged, you say yes, and you should be good.
Once you purge it once, it's there. As long as that stays a closed system.
It should be fine, exactly.
Be fine.
He's usually pretty good about turning it back off when you get out anyway, so, yeah. So the catch is, you know, does it look prep? Yes, it is. It's just, you gotta trust it there, so.
Yeah.